Hi, I'm AC Locke. You're the owner of SoftWash Systems, the world's largest exterior soft washing and sanitation network. With this current coronavirus pandemic, I just wanted to explain to you how we can deploy our over 220 in-network companies worldwide utilizing this state-of-the-art soft washing equipment to sanitize your property. In 1998, my company sanitized the entire exterior of a cruise ship while it was sitting at dock in Tampa Bay because of the Norwalk virus. Today, we can do the same thing. 220 companies in 9 countries worldwide. Cruise ships, we're ready to help you too and sanitize according to the CDC guidelines. Our SoftWash Systems in-network companies have achieved a specific certification to help with this viral outbreak for sanitizing your surfaces. And if you'd like to engage one of those companies, go to our website and click on the locator page. We have 220 companies worldwide ready and able to serve you.